Whether you're a seasoned boater or just getting into the hobby, understanding the differences between these two engine types can help you make an informed decision when purchasing a boat. So in this video, we'll discuss the age-old debate of two-stroke versus four-stroke engines in boats. So let us dive in. Many people think two-stroke engines are faster and four-stroke engines are more powerful. However, technological advancements have boosted the performance of today's technology, making the differences between these motors less significant. Each engine has its advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, it is crucial to understand how engines operate, whether you're buying a motor or preparing for a job as a marine technician. In a two-stroke outboard, a cycle is completed with just two piston movements. A two-stroke engine allows fuel to reach the bottom of the piston housing, while a four-stroke outboard engine allows it to happen at the top of the engine. Fuel and oxygen are compressed as the piston rotates, and they are then instantly ignited. As the piston continues its cycle, it forces gas and air into the combustion chamber, which forces out the exhaust. On the downstroke, an exhaust valve opens near the bottom of the combustion chamber. The two-stroke outboard motor's primary drawback is that it only lasts for a short time as a four-stroke. All moving components in two-stroke motors must be lubricated with oil and gas, which can be costly and challenging. Additionally, compared to four-stroke outboard motors, two-stroke engines use more gasoline, get less mileage, and emit more pollutants. On the other hand, the piston in a four-stroke engine completes two strokes during each revolution, a compression stroke and an emission stroke, followed by a return stroke. As a result, power is generated every four piston strokes, and the spark plugs only ignite once every other rotation. Since the oil is stored in a distinct compartment, these engines also do not require the pre-mixing of fuel and oil. A four-stroke motor's biggest drawback is its size. Although manufacturers are now producing more space-saving models, four-stroke engines are still more expensive to construct because they're bigger and heavier than their two-stroke counterparts. Four-stroke engines must also have routine oil changes and may be more challenging to repair if there is a problem with the motor or worn components. Due to their superior emission levels over traditional two-stroke boat motors, many modern marine engines are four-stroke. That is a generalization about the development of boat motors. State laws also differ from one state to the next, causing physical alterations. Due to these rules, boaters and anglers with four-stroke engines can now fish or sail in areas no longer open to those with two-stroke engines. For each engine, there are just as many benefits as drawbacks. For example, one is 30 to 50% heavier despite superior fuel economy. The first is less environmentally friendly, but lighter and more straightforward to keep. The list goes on. So, is one motor superior to the other? It's a very personal response, and it depends on how you use your boat, where you want to go boating, and how diligently you maintain your outboard motor. The choice between a two-stroke and a four-stroke engine ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, lightweight engine that's easy to maintain and repair, then a two-stroke engine might be your best choice. However, if you're looking for an engine that's more fuel efficient, produces fewer emissions, and has a longer lifespan, then a four-stroke engine might be the better choice. It's also worth considering the type of boating you will be doing. For example, if you're using your boating for racing or other high-performance activities, a two-stroke engine might be the better choice, as it can produce more power for its size. However, if you're using your boat for fishing or other activities where noise is a concern, then a four-stroke engine might be the better choice, as it's quieter than a two-stroke engine. In conclusion, choosing between a two-stroke and a four-stroke engine ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. Both have advantages and disadvantages, and the decision should be based on the type of boating you will be doing and your personal preferences. So take some time to consider your options and choose the right engine for you. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to leave your views in the comment box below.